Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Capsule CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts from your Capsule CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to export your contacts from Capsule CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch over service providers, so you want to be sure to take your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Capsule CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Capsule CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to export your Capsule CRM contacts, you're going to click on this person icon here on the top left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in Capsule CRM. And in order to export your contacts, you're going to need to choose which contacts you want to export. If you want to export all of them, just click on this square right here, and it's going to highlight all of them. But you can also choose a select few. So for example, I want this one, and this one. Okay, so once you've chosen all the contacts that you want to go ahead and export or download, up here on the top right, you want to click on export. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up from Capsule. They're going to ask what type of format you want to export. So you can do CS, which is pretty common. You can also do Excel or VCard. For the purpose of this video, let me go ahead and do Excel. Okay, now you can choose, do you want to export all of the columns or just the visible columns? So this one has visible columns of their name, their phone number, the location, and the tags, but it also includes their address in there. So if I want that, I can go ahead and choose all columns or just the visible. All right, once you're ready, go ahead and click on export. Okay, a quick second later, the page is downloaded. So here is the list of contacts that I exported from my Capsule CRM. So you can go ahead and clean up this out of it, but you can also see that they downloaded all of the names of the columns as well. So that's cool. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts from Capsule CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.